Hello, mates. Welcome to your own channel. This is another session, episode 5 of HTML Free Full Course. Let's get started. Today, we're gonna talk about HTML text formatting. HTML contains several elements for defining text with a special meaning. You can see them right here, but there are formatting elements that are designed to display special types of text. For example, B is for bold text, strong is for important text, I is for italic text, EM is for emphasized text, mark is for marked text, small is for smaller text, del for deleted text, ins for insert text, and sub for subscript text, and the sub is for subscript text. I want to comment them and let's see them in examples. First, we want to talk about the B and strong elements. The B element defines bold text without any extra importance. For example, this is a bold text. Let's open our live server. Okay, this is a bold text. Okay, but the HTML strong element defines text with a strong importance. The content inside is typically displayed in bold. Okay, let's see this. Strong. Sorry. What is this? Strong. Okay. This is important. Oops. This is important. Okay. I'm sorry. Let's have BR here. Another BR. Two BRs. Okay. Alright. This is our bold text and this is our important text. And they're both showed in bold font, but there's different actually. Because a strong element defines text with a strong importance. It's good for the SEO, for browsers, okay? So it's important. Okay. Another BR. Let's see HTML and EM elements. The HTML element defines a part of text in an alternate voice or mood. The content inside is typically displayed in italic. Okay? But there's a tip. The I tag is often used to indicate a technical term, a phrase from another language, a thought, a sheep name, etc. Let's try it. This is italic. You see? Yeah, this is italic. Okay, let's see what's different between italic, I, and EM. The HTML EM element defines emphasized text. The content inside it is typically displayed in italic, but there's a tip. A screen reader will pronounce the words in EM with an emphasis using verbal stress. So let's see. this is size. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, you can see they're both in the first look italic, but there's a difference. As you know, a screen reader will pronounce the words in EM with an emphasis using verbal stress. Alright, let's talk a bit about small elements. Okay, what about it? This is some small text. Okay, as you can see, it's a little bit smaller than default. Okay, and it defines a smaller text. That's simple. Alright. What about, I just want to copy this. Okay. What about mark elements? The HTML mark element. I'm sorry, mark element. Oh, what? The HTML mark. Yeah, here it is. The HTML mark element defines text that should be marked or highlighted. Okay, as a marker. For example, let's have a p tag. P. I want to say do not forget to buy. Okay, here we have mark element milk today. Okay, I want all of them in a single p tag. Okay, so it's our p tag and I have a mark element inside a p tag. Let's see the result. Yeah, don't forget to buy milk today. Okay, so yeah, this is for marking and highlighting something. HTML del element. HTML del element defines text that has been deleted from a document. Browsers will usually strike a line through deleted text. For example, let's have a p tag again. But I want a del just inside my p tag. So, okay, this is our p tag and del inside it. My favorite color is red. It is not blue. You see? My favorite color is red. Okay, let's see the result. My favorite color is red, and as you can see, it strikes a line through blue. Okay. Okay. Let's talk about I and S elements. The HTML ins element defines a text that has been inserted into a document. Browsers will usually underline inserted text as your exams. Okay, let's have a p tag again. As you know, I want this element inside my p tag. Okay. This is the ending of my p tag. Okay. For example, my favorite color is okay, let's use delete tag also here. Okay, is blue, red. Let's see the result. And yeah, okay. As you can see here, my favorite color is not blue, it's red. Okay, it's the usage of ins tag. I wanna comment them all. Okay, let's talk a bit about sub element. The HTML sub element defines subscript text. I'm sorry. I just want to say, guys, please subscribe me. The HTML sub element defines a subscript text. Subscript text appears half a character below the normal line, and it's sometimes rendered in a smaller font, I guess. And subscript text can be used for chemical formulas like H2O. Yeah, you know that, but not like that. The water, but oh my god, but not like this. Okay, we can write it like this. Okay, this is sub. This is subscripted text. Okay, as you can see, this subscripted just is below the normal line. Okay, for example, for chemical hash, okay, sub, I want to have a sub here. Okay, hash here 2 and here O. Let's see the result. Yeah, hash 2. All right, your let's talk about sub element. The HTML sub element defines a superscript text. Superscript text appears half a character above the normal line. It's exactly opposite of subscript. So it's sometimes rendered a smaller font, as you know, and superscript text can be used for footnotes, like, you know, www, when, you know. Okay, let's say that. Superscripted, and this is a superscripted text, right? Yeah, this is a superscripted text, right? I'm sorry, this is my NerdVPN alert. Oh my god. Okay, let me pause the video. Alright, I'm sorry. Okay, subscripted and superscripted text. That's all. Yeah, finished the HTML text formatting. And enough for the sessions. Guys, please subscribe and like the video. Tell me your questions or opinions in comments, or you can email me. And I hope you have a really, really nice day. Um, yeah, subscribe me again. Thank you. Bye.